where we're going to be tackling LeetCode problems in JavaScript to help you ace that interview. Okay, so now you're probably asking yourself, why would I want to do algorithm problems in JavaScript? There's a lot of other better languages out there, namely C++, Java, definitely Python. And yes, I agree with you, but these videos are really catered towards the career swappers who are just getting into software engineering, who are learning their first language. And the truth is, most of the jobs out there right now are web developing jobs, and they require a high level of proficiency in JavaScript. And there's lots to know about JavaScript. This weird language of hoisting, prototypical inheritance, closures, scopes, all of these things are weird to JavaScript and are unique to JavaScript. On top of that, within JavaScript, you have to know the methods. You have to know whether a method copies an object or just copies the pointer to an object. And these are things, when I first started in JavaScript, I was constantly referencing. And oftentimes in an interview, you don't have the luxury to just Google a method. So the whole purpose of this series is to help those who are career swapping, who don't want to transcribe an answer from Python or Java to JavaScript and have to learn two languages at the same time. The thing is, you're eventually going to learn one of these backend languages. You're eventually going to probably learn Python or whatever your job entails. But right now, when you have such a short time period to ramp up, you should be focusing on JavaScript if you're going into web development. So a good analogy I have about learning programming languages is that programming languages are like learning an instrument. Knowing what a major scale is on paper is a lot different than knowing what a major scale is in the context of your instrument. The implementation of that knowledge to your instrument is what's important. In the same way, in programming, knowing what a hash map is, knowing what a tree is, are all really important, but it's knowing what it is in the context of your language. Knowing what a tree looks like in JavaScript is what's important. Knowing how to loop through the keys and values of an object in JavaScript is a lot different than looping through the values in Python. And so confusing these two things and trying to play two instruments at the same time is always going to be confusing. But for now, as a first-time developer, learning your first language, your number one goal and your number one priority should be to have complete comprehension of this first language. So guys, I'm really excited to be helping you out and making these videos, helping you learn JavaScript, and hopefully nailing that interview and getting that job. Right now, it's Mardi Gras season, and I'm gonna go catch some beads. Look at all these people. Look at all these Mardi Gras people making all that ruckus.